SSD upgrade and RAM upgrade on Asus M509DA-BR368T laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Marie, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Upgrading both the SSD and RAM in a laptop is a wise decision to significantly enhance speed, responsiveness, and overall performance. Replacing a traditional hard drive with a solid-state drive SSD dramatically improves boot times, application loading speeds, and file transfer rates, providing a smoother and more efficient computing experience. Additionally, upgrading the RAM increases multitasking capabilities, allowing the laptop to handle multiple applications, demanding software and resource-intensive tasks with greater efficiency. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. SSD upgrade and RAM upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your SSD upgrade and RAM upgrade. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.